Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then find sound and vibration section. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone option and tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and here we've been transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, at the top we've got this option on this device, which simply means that if you will have anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear right there and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it, and of course let me turn on the sounds. Maybe not that much. Okay, and as you can see, this is how it works. So all you have to do is to tap on it and then check whether you like this ringtone or not. After deciding, simply make sure that the option you want to use is marked, like in my case this fresh morning, and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.